In this video, we will go over deploying the Augmentt Discovery Agent to collect SaaS usage data.
To download the Discovery Agent, navigate to Discover and then Agent.
The Discovery Agent can be installed on your client's devices either manually, through GPO push, or it can be distributed through a remote monitoring and management tool or other software distribution tool like Microsoft Endpoint Manager. The Discovery Agent is not customer specific. You can use the same file for multiple customers. However, you will have to plug in the customer's unique license key to make sure the SaaS data is associated with the proper customer account. Once you have downloaded the agent and copied the customer license key, you can begin the deployment process. There's a knowledge base article with the different deployment methods. Whether you decide to use PowerShell, command line, or deployment tool, you can find the information you need for deployment in the knowledge base. The Augmentt Discovery Agent can be pushed out silently with the license key pre-filled to ensure that there is no end-user disruption during installation.
That's my minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.